Welcome to the CT Hub channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the unboxing of the new iPhone 16 Pro Max and walk you through the setup process, including transferring data from your old iPhone. Transferring your data is simple and ensures a seamless transition to your new device. If you're transferring data from another iPhone running iOS 11 or later, Quick Start makes setting up your new iPhone 16 a breeze. Both devices will need to be available for this process, so pick a time when you won't need your current iPhone for several minutes, or even longer, depending on the amount of data being transferred. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes in a sleek and premium box, reflecting the high-end nature of the device. This particular model is in the stunning desert titanium finish and boasts a massive 1 TB of storage, perfect for those who need plenty of space for photos, videos, and apps. Once unboxed, peel off the protective seal from the screen to reveal the gorgeous design. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a massive 6.9-inch display, slightly larger than its predecessor. This expansive screen makes it ideal for enjoying videos, playing games, or using your favorite apps with an even more immersive viewing experience. The iPhone 16 Pro takes smartphone photography to the next level with its impressive 48MP ultra-wide lens, delivering stunning clarity and detail for both photos and videos. One of the standout features is the new physical capture button. This dedicated button acts as a shutter for taking photos and recording videos, while also enabling quick zoom adjustments and easy access to camera settings. It's designed to give users a more professional camera experience, right at their fingertips. As with recent models, Apple no longer includes standard wired headphones in the box. Instead, the iPhone 16 Pro comes with a USB-C charging cable, supporting fast charging to get you powered up quickly. Before starting the transfer process, ensure your current iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If you plan to transfer your phone number to the new iPhone, it's highly recommended to convert your physical SIM to an eSIM on your current iPhone. This simplifies the transfer process and eliminates the need to physically move the SIM card to your new device. To convert your physical SIM to eSIM, follow these easy steps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to tap on Cellular or Mobile Data, depending on your region. If your carrier supports eSIM conversion, you'll see an option to convert to eSIM. Tap on it. On the next screen, confirm the phone number you wish to convert by selecting it, then tap on the Convert to eSIM again to initiate the process. Your physical SIM will be deactivated, and the eSIM will be activated for your mobile service. Once the conversion is complete, your iPhone will seamlessly use the eSIM for calls, messages, and data services. This process ensures a smooth transition to eSIM without needing to handle a physical SIM card. Once your iPhone begins activating the eSIM, it will seamlessly transfer your plan details from the physical SIM to the eSIM. After the process is complete, your physical SIM is no longer required. If your current iPhone has a lot of data, the transfer process to your new iPhone might take more time. Since both devices cannot be used during the transfer, it's a good idea to clean up unnecessary content beforehand. Doing this will not only speed up the transfer, but also free up space, making your new iPhone ready for use sooner. To check your current iPhone storage and identify which apps are using the most space, open the Settings app on your current iPhone. Tap General, then select iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your storage usage and the apps consuming the most space. Review this list and delete any apps, files, or media you no longer need. This cleanup will make the transfer process quicker and more efficient. Before starting the data transfer to your new iPhone, one important step is to change the auto lock setting to never on your current iPhone. This prevents the screen from locking during the transfer, which could interrupt the process and ensures you can monitor the progress. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Select Auto Lock and change it to Never. This simple step ensures the transfer isn't interrupted due to the phone locking automatically. Once the data transfer is complete, don't forget to reset the auto lock duration to your preferred setting for regular use. Keep your current and new iPhones close together and connected to power to avoid interruptions during setup. When you turn on your new iPhone 16, you'll be greeted with the Hello Welcome screen. Swipe up to start the setup process. Select your language and tap Continue. Choose your region or country, which customizes your iPhone to local settings like date and time. Next, you'll be prompted to select the display appearance for text and icons. You can preview and choose an option now, or stick with the default and adjust it later in settings. Once you have made your choices, tap Continue to proceed with the setup. If your current iPhone runs iOS 11 or later, you can use Quick Start to automatically set up your new iPhone and transfer data seamlessly. Here's how it works. Place both iPhones close together. Your current iPhone will automatically detect the new one. A prompt will appear on your current iPhone asking if you'd like to set up the new iPhone. Tap Continue to proceed. Your new iPhone will display an animated image. Use the camera on your current iPhone to scan the image displayed on the new iPhone. This links the two devices and prepares them for the transfer process. This step connects your devices and starts the setup for transferring your data. Tap Set Up for Me to continue the setup process on your new iPhone. Next, you'll be prompted to transfer your phone number to the new device. If you have already converted your physical SIM to eSIM, the transfer will happen automatically. You'll receive a confirmation once the number is successfully transferred. Tap Continue to move on to the next steps. You'll then be prompted to set up Face ID. You can choose to do this now, or skip it and set it up later. To begin transferring your data, you'll be asked to enter the passcode for your current iPhone. This ensures a secure transfer of all your data to the new iPhone. You'll now be given the option to transfer your data and settings from your current iPhone. If you'd like, you can explore other available options to transfer your data as well. Tap Continue to start the transfer process. This includes transferring all the information from your current iPhone, including any credit card details stored in your wallet. You can choose to add those credit cards to your wallet immediately or do it later. During the setup and data transfer, you'll be introduced to some of the new features of the iPhone 16, like the Action button and the updated camera control button. Once the transfer begins, your iPhone will calculate and show an estimated time for completion based on the size of your data. If you have a lot of data, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Don't worry, though, you'll receive a notification when the transfer is complete. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell, so you never miss out on any of our future videos. We've got plenty more awesome content coming your way. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think about this video, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll be responding to your comments, so let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.